In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Pyre for GitHub. We'll walk through setting up Pyre, a fast PEP 484 compliant type checker for Python, using GitHub Actions so your repository can automatically scan for type issues. Start by opening your GitHub repository in your browser. Make sure you're on the main page of the repo and that you have permission to configure workflows. At the top of the repository, click the Actions tab. This is where GitHub stores automated workflows. If it's your first time here, GitHub might show you suggested workflows. Click New Workflow to begin creating one from a template. On the next page, click Choose a Workflow so you can browse the available options. You'll see several categories. Click the Security category to narrow down to code scanning and analysis templates. If there's a View All option within Security, click that to expand the full list. In the search box, type Pyre. If the results don't filter right away, type Pyre again or confirm your search so that the Pyre template appears. When you see Pyre in the results, click it. Confirm it's the template by Meta, which is the official source. You'll also see a short description explaining that Pyre is a performant type checker capable of analyzing large codebases incrementally. Click that description if it's highlighted as part of the selection, then click Configure to open the workflow configuration screen. GitHub will now propose a new workflow file named Pyre YAML inside the GitHub Workflows directory. If a specific field is highlighted, select it to ensure the workflow content is visible. Review the YAML that GitHub provides. It sets up the job to run Pyre on your repository. If you want to adjust anything, click Edit to make changes, such as Python versions or paths, but you can keep the defaults for a standard setup. When you're done reviewing, click Preview to see a final read-only view of the workflow file. If you navigated between tabs or made an edit, you may need to click Preview again to refresh that view. This step helps confirm there are no syntax issues before committing. Finally, create the workflow file in your repository by clicking the button that finalizes the new file. GitHub will commit pyre.yml to your default branch, and the workflow will appear in the Actions tab. From here, the Pyre scan will run on the triggers defined in the YAML, often on pushes and pull requests. If the run fails or flags issues, open the workflow logs for details. Tip: ensure your repository includes a valid